If you're looking for a hair supplier which can supply you the highest quality of hair extensions and also in stock, which can make you receive the hair right away and in short period, and please watch today's video. Hello everyone, this is Anthony from Joice Hair, and I know that a lot of clients are asking that whether we will supply the highest quality hair extensions in stock. And I think the biggest headache when they work with us before is not about quality, everyone loves our quality, but the shipping time. And so now we will prepare and we will stock more products and providing a large range of different colors, and which we can ship you immediately. And today's video I will share you the product that we will have in stock, and we are having in stock right now. We can ship immediate, and we will share you all this product. And the first product that we will have in stock, and we're having in stock right now, is the Genius Weft, because Genius Weft is the most demanded product right now. It's very lightweight and it is also durable. Everyone loves this product right now, and through that we are having this product in stock for the first product that we bring up, and we're providing, you can see there's a lot range of different colors, from the dark color 1, brown, and to green 10. You can see it's kind of a white colors and very light blonde everyone is looking for, and white, and also gray colors and a highlight color kind of gray. All these colors we will have in stock right now, and also like balayage colors. You can see these balayage colors, which is very popular in our clients, and we will have all this, put all this in stock and make it available for shipping right away. And you can see that all the hair are with our premium quality virgin hair, and also this fullness is very thick and full. You know, when we're looking for a supplier who can supply you the hair extensions in stock, I know a lot of them, they do not provide it in the highest quality at all, and so you might facing quality problem. That is why we decided to bring and stock this product, and we decided to stock it only in premium hair quality and also very thick and full. Maybe with other supplier you will see not so thick extensions for their stock, but we can do that. So this is what we will make it available. So if you are looking for the stock and with highest quality virgin hair, because I know that your clients will is very demanding and love this premium quality of hair, and you want it in immediate timing, and you can contact us. And those all colors, we will have coloring as well. So if you are our old clients and you want to know all the colors, you can contact us. If you are new to us, please you can contact us, and we will share you about the price and the colors. If you have any question regarding our what kind of product that we are supplying and about our quality, and feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a good day.
Cool.